To start a flower garden, observe which parts of your garden get the most sunlight during the day. This will help you plan where to plant different flowers according to their sunlight needs. Once you've chosen where your garden will go, dig up the grass and till the soil to make it soft and crumbly. Remove any rocks and weeds from the area. Mix some compost into the top 6 inches 15 centimeters of the soil to make it more fertile. If your soil is difficult to work with, consider building a raised garden bed instead. Once your garden bed is ready, decide what you want to plant. Purchase potted flowers or seeds from your local garden center and follow the care and planting instructions carefully. For instance, pay attention to how much sunlight each plant needs, how often it should be watered, and what kind of fertilizer it needs. In general, it's best to plant flowers outside after the last frost of the year.